Alright guys, it's Josh with JTM Racing. What's going on? So just want to do an update. Haven't been doing any uploads, but I need to. So here's one. I'm not really working on anything, just going to kind of discuss some things. So first thing I'm going to discuss is the Camaro. You know, this is like the newest vehicle I got in my last couple of videos. But I was on the freeway the other day. Had this like 3x4 sheet fly off of a semi truck, like this white plastic, I don't know, like slat. It was weird. I caught the rear quarter on it. I tried to dodge it, and I didn't miss it. I got hit by it in the rear, so kind of got some scuffs going all the way to the door. A couple chips. If you can see, there's like that chip. There's this chip. So what I'll probably have to do is buff this with some type of polish, maybe a compound, and you know, wax it, and it should be good. I'll do some touch-up paint, some wet sanding there, and then buff it all. Try to get it to like match as perfect as possible. So not too happy about that. Haven't done anything to it yet. I did purchase a set of like RS S stripes, if that makes sense. It says RS on them, but it's pretty much the same exact stripes. Got these red and black ones, but I didn't get them done yet. I'm not going to be installing those because if I mess up, I'll be pretty pissed. So I'm going to take them to a place that actually does it. It's about 300 bucks to put them on. So that's that. You know about the white Porsche and the Civic and the Jimmy. Just ran them for a little while because I haven't started them in about a month and a half. Pretty sorry actually. So just want to make sure the battery stayed charged and stuff. So I started all those. We all know the white Porsche doesn't run. In my head now, it's going to be pretty much a track car. I was in Cali with my cousin Ricky and his Fiat, and we're tearing up the canyons, and I want this to be a canyon car. Just roll cage, you know, like just all purpose. Just some white ass wheels, maybe some flares and shit, and just make it all for like track and canyons. Civic still need injectors and a tune. Jimmy has a knock, we know that, but it still runs. And then the new car to the family is this 2001 Durango. It has the 4.7 in it, the V8. It's a 4x4. Pretty clean. I just got this. Actually, sadly to say, my grandpa passed, and this is what he had in his will for me. You know, I love the guy. But it's clean, dude. Got this, so probably do like a lift on it with some 33s and exhaust and an intake or something, just to make it sound a little cleaner, because it is a V8. It's a fresh ride. It has one ding on the passenger door. So there's that. That's going to actually turn out real sick. I washed it, so it does look better than what I got. It was pretty dirty, but it does need like a full interior clean. A lot of cat hair in it, so, and a couple little other things, you know. But the one car I haven't showed anyone, and I'm just gonna kind of give you a sneak peek of it if I can get in here. This is what happens to the Harbor Freight garage after a couple years. It starts just falling apart. Let's walk in here. Hopefully I don't get bit by a spider or something. But I'm gonna give you kind of a sneak peek on this side of it. Of course, it's gonna get repainted and everything. But here's like the corner of it. So it is a kit car on a VW chassis. It has that big old rear end. Let's see if I can get a shot of that. Put this back over. I'll show you a more decent picture. I'm gonna be ripping down this canopy, and my garage is gonna be getting built. It's just taking forever for plans and stuff. But if we can check it out, the rear end, that's the rear end on it. So if you guys know that kit car, comment in the video. This thing's sick, and it's gonna be dope with the plans I got for it. A lot of work, full ground up build, of course, you know. There's really nothing to it. No wheels, no motor, nothing. Just pretty much a floor pan, a frame, and a body on it. It's all fiberglass though, and once it's done, it's gonna haul ass, and it's gonna be kind of classic looking. So, but yeah, so that's really what's going on. Plans are still for the Camaro intake, programmer, lower it a couple inches. I haven't really done anything to it. Try to do like the black vinyl covers for the Chevy badges, the bow ties, and it's just a pain in the ass. I'd rather take them off, tape them off, sand them, and paint them black myself. Just look better, more legit. So, got that. It's gonna get the intake exhaust and a lift probably. Jimmy, plans are now to either get like a fully built V6 and turbo it, or like build this shit out of a V8, drop a 350 in it or something and turbo it. That's the plan, because I have that as a daily, have that as my daily. Civic will not become a daily, but I'll be able to drive it once I get it tuned and stuff. Build that as a track car, but will still be registered. And I could pull the motor and do some sick shit. Now, if I turbo this thing and put a 350 in it, or you know, a mean ass V6 turbo, it's still gonna be getting a little bit of a taller lift. So probably gonna do like 3-inch plus spindles up front, put my helper springs in the back, jack that up a couple more inches so I can fit like a bigger tire under there. And you know, I don't know, I might go full like pre-runner front end on it, because if I have that kind of motor, I want to be able to haul ass in the desert, but keep it clean. You know, I'm not trying to roll it or anything. So Civic, of course, mad plans for it. And I know everybody's gonna say I've been slacking, and I have been like crazy. A lot going on, and it's like, with work, never have time to do this stuff, man, but I really need to make time, get this channel popping. So that's really it, you know, all the whips. And I'm pretty stoked to start working on them. I have too many projects now. I'm not buying any more cars. Done, unless I sell one and get another one. So, but that's it. It's just a little quick video to let you know what's going on. And I haven't stopped. I just need to make the time for it, and there will be more to come. So if you guys kind of want to see something soon, comment in the video. You know, I don't know if you do or not, but let me know. Check this video out, and we'll get some more uploads. You know, subscribe, please. Comment and like all my vids, that'd be sick. But that's it, guys. So peace. Hopefully the scratches come out of the fucking Camaro.